Good morning, everyone. Today I'm out with Robert this morning. We're out here fishing one of our favorite areas, and we got fog across the water this morning, and we're gonna have a good day of fishing here. Brought Robert out to catch a big one this morning, and Chris is in his tournament out there on the lake, and we're gonna see what we can get out of this area. How you doing, Robert?
Good. I'm gonna start with the blue skinny dipper today.
You're out with Captain Lucky again today, huh?
Captain Lucky's guide service.
Yep. We're gonna get a big one. We're gonna paddle forward and try it over the pond area here.
Oh, look at that mud duck. Hey.
Say, stupid bird. But we're gonna go up here in a little bit and catch a big bass. We kind of thought that was a big bass, but it was a big bird.
Yeah, big old bass.
There's a little bird over there all by himself on the stick there. I don't know if you can see him or not. I don't know what kind he is. He's got a black head, brown body. But anyway, we're getting ready to catch a big one. We're moving up to this area here. Today's Saturday, January the 29th. Is that right?
Yeah.
January the 29th, 2011. Well, Robert's fishing over there, casting to the lily pads, on the edge of the lily pads, and trying his best to get one in. It hasn't happened yet, but it's going to happen.
Well, so far we've came down the part of Lemkin Creek. We've got Captain Lucky got a hit, and I've got nothing. And neither of us have a fish in the boat yet.
We're gonna go up to this other area that we didn't try the other day, and
we're gonna try and catch the big.
Yeah, we're gonna get one in the boat before the day's over with. So we'll catch you in a little bit. There's a gar right up under us. I don't know if you can see him or not. Just hanging out in the hydrilla. It's probably still too cold for these fish. What we've seen so far this morning, they're all laying in the hydrilla. But anyway, we'll get back with you. Well, I guess we ain't catching no fish yet. But we're not in a dead area, but there's a vulture up there in the tree. It's one of the red-headed vultures. Red-headed black vulture. Well, I just got my first hit over here in this area. I'm having Robert throw over there and see if he can get the bass to bite. It grabbed it and ran with it and threw the hook. I played it a little too long, I guess, but anyway. Our first official hit of the day. Almost had it in the boat. But we're keeping working, and we're going to try to get a bass out of this area. It's a different area that we fished from before, and we'll get back with you. We're doing the cow call.
Hey, Mr. Cow, or Mrs. Cow.
Hey, Robert, what is that over there?
A cow.
A cow. A brown cow or a black cow?
Black.
Yep.
No, brown. Black.
It's eating right now. It doesn't care about us.
No, it's brown.
Well, we're trying to get one still. Keep trying. I'm expecting Robert to get the first one in. I just missed another one over here. My luck is not very good right now, but Robert's going to try to get it in. Well, we're out in a more opened area now, and I just threw up against the cattails like I'm telling Robert to do, and he hasn't got his hit yet, but I had number 3 hit right here. Came right at the boat and got off. But we're not giving up. We're still trying. Well, we're out here in this little hole here in front of the cows. I've had 3 hits so far.
I've had 1.
Robert had 1 back there. The water's really cold this morning, and they're not that active.
And we don't know what time it is either.
That's not a car horn, that's a cow horn.
Now, murder up.
We'll focus in on the cows over there.
Now, murder.
Gotta go forward a little bit.
Go forward.
Hey!
Hey, Moo.
That's a bull. White bull. I got one, Robert. Finally.
You do?
Yep.
A nice one.
Yeah. First one of the day. Yay. We're not skunked.
Okay.
Caught it on the native shiner skinny dipper.
Okay, we'll get back.
Okay, we're gonna let it go now. You got one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a nice one. About the same size as mine.
Uh-huh.
Hooked it right in the top of the mouth.
Nice hooks.
Very good. First one of the day for Robert. I just got mine back there. Let it go. The batteries went dead, so we had to change batteries, and right after I changed the batteries, he caught one. So we're going to keep fishing along these pads here. He's going to get the hook out. Hooked it real good right there in the roof of the mouth, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then let it go.
I think you may need to unhook this thing.
All right. Well, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to hook it for him. And well, Robert just let me have his fish here so I can get it out, the hook out, and we're going to let it go. Thank you. Well, folks, me and Robert finally got one in each. We're moving along down here with the wind. And
when I caught mine, it was like 10 feet away from his.
Yep.
When I caught it.
And
he had just released his.
He caught his on that the blue skinny dipper, and I got mine on the native shiner one,
which I changed to.
And I'm getting a hit right now. Well, we got the airboat coming toward us. Gotta get out of the way. He'll see us. You'll see us, Robert. Paddle to the over there to the left, the right. I mean, go to the right. See, here comes the airboat tour. So we're gonna get out of the way now. Hey, is that cool, Robert?
That's a cooler breeze than what it was.
Up there in the cypress tree, I don't know if you can see it, he's looking at us, is an osprey. It's like a fish hawk. We had a vulture in this tree earlier when we went by. Now we're going back by and got an osprey in there. Kind of reminds me of an eagle. Same type family. Anyway, we're moving along. A little update. Robert got one in the boat this morning, and I got one in the boat. And we're trying for number 2. So we're going to go up here to the waterfall and see what we can get out of there. Well, it's about 11:20 on Saturday morning. We're back here at near the waterfall. We're going to go into that waterfall area, and we're still trying to get number 2 in the boat. But we've had a good morning, and we're going to go see Chris's weigh in an hour. Robert just had a hit, and the other airboat tour just went by us, behind us, and we're fishing here at the waterfall right now. Trying to get number 2 in the boat. Did you have fun today? It's always good, right? Always good to get one in the boat. At least we're not skunked.
Yeah, we both have one in the boat.
Yep. Well, I'm going to cut the camera off for now. I'm going to move up a little bit so he can get a better throw at the waterfall. I think he's got one on. Hook it. Slow down, slow down, slow down. He's got one on. Very good, Robert. Bring it in the boat.
Small. I ripped his mouth pretty good.
Yep. And the hook just comes right out. Here, let me zoom in. Show it off. Now tell me how you did it.
I cast it and reeled in like Captain Lucky said.
Yep.
And I hooked it.
We've been having a good day. That's Robert's number 2 bass in the boat. And we got all that on film, so that's going to make a good video. And over here on the right side, he's going to let it go. Good job. There, it swims off. Well, re-rig and try again, right?
But he fought like a big one.
Yep.
I saw either a mudfish or a red-bellied catfish.
Trying to swim up that waterfall there.
Yeah, he tried to go straight up the waterfall.
Well, Robert's going to cast over there and try to either catch that one or catch another bass. And I'm going to back up a little bit. We're a little too close.
Wait, let's try and get up closer. Oh, look. Dang it.
That almost looks like your bass swimming off there. Well, I'm going to back up. Well, me and Robert are up here right at the waterfall. We've had an exciting last 5 minutes. Saw this big fish try to climb the waterfall here, and I just saw him swim under the boat. Couldn't tell if it was a bass or a mudfish, but it was really big. It was probably a good 7-pounder.
Today we caught 3 bass. 2 for me, 1 for Captain Lucky, and now we're coming in. We're going to Chris's wave.
Yep, we've had a good day today, and we're getting out. It's about 12 o'clock noon.
And here comes the airboat.
Yeah, we're gonna watch the airboat go by in a second.
We've had a good day today, and I don't think the airboat's coming by. So here's the water. The canoe, Captain Lucky's messed up rod, my rod, the paddle, the coat and things. Now just things. The bridge pilings, the water, the trees, the thing. Well, there's Captain Lucky coming. Airboat's coming by now. Here comes an airboat.